Books. So many of them. Here, there and everywhere. I want to read all of them. I want to carry this entire pile with me. But can I? Can I really? I cannot. I know that. So yeah, all my books are on this laptop. But laptops can be a big, heavy thing to carry all the time. Can you stand and read? Can you lie down and read? Can you sit and read? No, you can't. Lighter. Tablets are much lighter and they have everything I need. But I really wish when I'm writing the tablet had a tilt. Makes writing much easier. I wish my tablet was a yogi. My search for a better way to read and write led me to the Yoga tablet by Lenovo. This tablet has a hold mode, a tilt mode and a stand mode, and this is what is impressive.